Today we're making not one, not two, but three mouth-watering paneer recipes that are perfect for any occasion. Paneer Tikka Wrap, crispy Kurkure Paneer and rich stuffed Masala Paneer. Let's get cooking. We're gonna first start with Paneer Tikka Wrap. In the bowl, add yogurt, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and ginger garlic paste. Mix well to form the marinade. Now add paneer cubes, coat them well and let them rest for 5 to 7 minutes. Now heat some oil in a pan and cook the paneer on both sides until golden. In the same pan, saute capsicum, tomatoes and onions. Next, take a chapati and place the grilled vegetables in the center. Add some raw onions, tomato, capsicum and the cooked paneer. Now sprinkle fresh coriander leaves and roll it up. And your Paneer Tikka Wrap is ready, perfect for a quick meal on the go. Next is the Kurkure Paneer. In a bowl, mix corn flour, maida, coriander powder, jeera powder, Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, kasuri methi, salt and ginger garlic paste. Now add water gradually to make a smooth batter. In another bowl, crush corn flakes into fine crumbs. Dip paneer cubes into the batter, then coat them evenly with corn flakes. Let them rest for 15 minutes so the coating sticks well. Now deep fry in hot oil until golden and crispy. And your Kurkure Paneer is ready, crunchy outside and soft inside. Next is the stuffed Masala Paneer. For the stuffed paneer, cut a paneer block into 4 equal squares. Now scoop out the center and keep the trimmings aside. In a bowl, mix the paneer trimmings with the stuffing ingredients. Fill the hollow centers of paneer with this mixture. Now heat oil in a pan and fry the stuffed paneer until golden. Now for the masala, heat oil in a kadhai, add cumin seeds and whole spices and saute for 1 minute. Now add onions and green chili and cook till translucent. Next, add some ginger garlic paste, saute for 2 minutes. Add tomatoes and salt and cook till soft. Stir in the spices and then add tomato puree mixed with water. Now cook for 2 minutes, then add the fried paneer and simmer for 2 minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve hot. So there you go, 3 easy paneer recipes. Which one will you try first? Do let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.